watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
It is now 7:11 on your Saturday morning, and you can see here on Storm Track Live Radar we have a couple of rain and snow showers moving through parts of West Michigan, especially northern areas. You could see a light snow shower this morning. Not going to amount to much. If you did see some prolonged period of snow, it could potentially put down a dusting, but temps are going to warm up this afternoon. And then I expanded the view because I want to draw your attention to this area right along the Mississippi River, say the Quad Cities south into parts of northern Missouri. This is actually where we have a band of showers developing, and that band could make it into West Michigan, but not until late afternoon or early evening. So what that means is we've got a big dry space here, which is going to encompass most of the afternoon hours, which will keep us on the dry side. So let me go ahead and track out this far northern edge, push this into, say, the Holland location. Let's try that one more time. We'll track out the far northern edge of this, take it into around the Holland area. That's still about 10 hours away. 131 still about 11 hours away, so we do the math on that. Right around dinner time, we could see this band of showers push through. Rumble of thunder, not out of the realm of possibilities. Right now, though, we are dry here in the Grand Rapids area. Live view from our camera above the Amway Grand Plaza Hotel, looking out over Rosa Parks Circle, the Grand Rapids Art Museum. Things still a little quiet downtown, but it's a Saturday in West Michigan. It's springtime. I have a feeling things are going to pick up a little bit later on today. It will be a bit on the breezy side. Winds could gust to around 30 miles an hour at times. That light rain moves in for the evening, continues tonight, but pleasant and dry tomorrow. So this batch of rain moving in for tonight is actually going to be exiting by tomorrow morning around daybreak. So I think the daytime hours are spent on the dry side. Rain moves back in on Sunday night. And then that is the active weather pattern we're going to be seeing. We're going to see that repeated as we head through the upcoming work week with some varying temperatures. 37 now in Grand Rapids. Notice the temps to the north. We're in the low 30s, so we could actually see a little bit of that snow come down. If you pick up a dusting, it's going to melt off quickly because look at the temps rise. By noon, we're into the upper 40s. Still a strong wind out of the southeast. Still dry here. Okay, now we're getting close to 6 o'clock. Remember, we put that track on the rain about 11 hours into West Michigan, into the 131 quarter. That would put it at 6 p.m. this evening, and that matches up nicely with this computer model. Winds out of the southeast at 15 to 25 miles an hour. And temperatures are tricky today, but it looks like most areas make it into the 50s. Could see a few 60s showing up near the Michigan-Indiana border. We've got a chance for a little bit of light rain to continue tonight. Here's daybreak tomorrow morning, though, 6 a.m., and you can see how we're clearing everything out of the way. This particular computer model tries to paint a couple showers across the area tomorrow afternoon. I'm not too concerned about that. The 8-day forecast, rain Sunday night and Monday. Then we get a bit of a break Monday night into early Tuesday. Then another batch of rain moves in for the middle of the week. Temperatures in general going to be in the 50s, although we'll come out right away and say it that this is a very, very difficult week to forecast temperatures. So continue to stay tuned to later forecasts and we'll fine tune those.
With some of that drizzle and snow, you should probably do your exercising inside this week.
Yeah, she's always a fight for the treadmill versus running outside. I say, you know, when it's beautiful and sunny like yesterday, you got to pound the pavement. And if anybody is doing some of those long runs, I know Riverbank's coming up pretty quick. Some people have some of those 12, 14 milers they're trying to get in this weekend. I think for today, most of you are going to stay dry unless you wait till about sunset.
Okay, so do it a little bit earlier in the day.
A little earlier rather than a little later.
Okay, all right.